In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view disputes on Stripe. If you've been using Stripe for your business, you already know that keeping a handle on financial disputes is essential to maintain smooth operations. So let's walk through this process and ensure you can efficiently manage any disputes that come your way. First, you'll want to go to the Stripe website. Open your preferred web browser and type in stripe.com in the address bar. This is the starting point for accessing your account and all its features. Once the website has loaded, look for the sign in button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Stripe prioritizes security, so signing into your account gives you access to sensitive information while ensuring your details are protected. Now, you'll be asked to enter your email and password. Make sure you use the email address linked to your Stripe account and enter your password carefully. After filling in these credentials, click that sign in button once more to proceed. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. The dashboard is your control center and provides you with an overview of your account activities. Here you can navigate to different sections of Stripe depending on what you need to manage at the moment. From the dashboard, look for the Home section. Clicking on Home helps you get back to the main page at any time, but from here we want to focus on the Payments section. Locate and click on Payments. This reveals detailed options related to transactions and finance management, which is exactly where we need to be to find our disputes. Now, under Payments you should see an option listed as Disputes. Click on it. Stripe organizes disputes information here, providing you with access to any ongoing issues with transactions that need your attention. To get a comprehensive view, click on All Disputes. This section is where you can see a full list of your disputes, categorized by which ones need responses, which might be warnings, and any other status that could require action. By clicking here, you gain the ability to manage dispute details and deadlines efficiently. That's it for viewing disputes on Stripe. Following these steps regularly can help you stay ahead of any potential issues, ensuring you can respond in a timely manner. Having this information at your fingertips means you can make informed decisions that benefit your business. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials and tips.